to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is here and he's apologizing to, his followers. He's saying that basically he is sorry for the way he handled situation yesterday, for whatever he did yesterday. He's sorry about that. He is also apologizing to his mom. He's saying, Mom, if you see that video, please know that it came from a good place, but I had to do it. So go ahead and catch the video and see what Dwayne had to say, and what
Good
it was
morning,
stemming from,
everyone.
whatever he did yesterday, what it stemmed from.
Pleasant good morning to
And
all of
guys,
you.
please share up the live now, subscribe now.
Hope everyone slept
Come
well.
on,
Good
you
morning,
guys can
Marcy.
do
Good
it.
morning to you too.
And have
Hey,
yourselves
Denise,
a
what's up?
beautiful day. And remember,
Dwayne,
in
you?
everything you
Yeah, I'm good,
do,
girl. I'm good.
put God
Thank you.
first.
Appreciate you people. I really do. I really, really do. You guys mean the world to me. Imagine being in a predicament I'm in, and I can take time on my social media platform and interact with people all over the world. I'm happy. I'm proud. I'm proud. I've made a little niche for myself from where I'm coming from to where I am now. I'm proud of it, and I won't allow any of them to take it from me. None of them. So I want all of you to know I'm very sorry about my behavior yesterday. I will do my damnedest to not allow it to get to that level ever again. I just want to come out here and have fun with you guys, laugh about gossip, chit chat about gossip, scrutinize, dissect, whatever you guys want to call it. Even if you guys choose to sit there and don't comment, that's fine. As long as I know you guys are over here listening to the gossip wherever we get it from, that's all that matters. I'm not out here to be fighting with Tom, Dick, Harry, John, Paul. I'm not here for that. I'm here to have a good time and a good time only. And yes, chatting Mixup. I like chatting Mixup. I love Mixup. I love gossip. I love it. I've always loved gossip and I will never stop loving gossip. I'm sure all of you who follow my page, you follow my page for a reason. It's because you love gossip too. So let's all just love gossip together and live in peace and tranquility and harmony and not just come out here as if to say you want to make that one look bigger than you or that. No, we're all on the same playing field, the same level playing field. Yes, some are a little bit more established than some. However, I had to learn, and trust me, I've learned. Because I studied them. And I'm sure I perfected my craft, or I'm continuing to perfect it as best as I can. So, people, I just want you guys to know I'm very sorry for my behavior yesterday. My mother, Mom, don't be disappointed in me if you saw that video. Please don't be disappointed. Just know that it came from a good place. It really came from a good place. And I'm sure all of you, if someone came out here and spoke so ill of you or your family, you would have reacted in the same way, perhaps even worse than I did. Thank you. I thank you. And that's why I'm built for this, Winsome. That is exactly why I'm built for this. I love to be dramatic. I love to be eccentric. I love it. I thrive on eccentricity. I do thrive on it. I really do. And I love gossip. So that's an amazing combination. No, I don't believe in violence. I don't believe in violence, girl. I don't believe in violence. I just want to have fun. Yeah, I just got back from somewhere, so I just thought let me come on my live just chat to you guys for a little bit. I will never curse Donegal again, never. And I see you people trying so hard for me to curse her because you people are afraid to curse her yourself. So you're trying to use other people to do your dirty work. I'm telling all of you, I will never curse that woman again, never. I'm sure she herself will never do me anything to that degree that will allow me to come out here and act damn fool again. Because I'm sure all of you know I have a big, loud mouth and I can use it. And I will use it if I have to. But I don't want to come out here continuously and be going back and forth with people I don't know. It's 11:22 a.m. for me. Probably 6 a.m. for a lot of you. I don't know. You know? I use my mouth when I have to. But I try my best to put my mouth on a leash a lot of times because I know I can get really, really nasty and distasteful, and I don't want my audience to look at me sad. It's like, Lord Jesus Christ, you know, I don't want you guys to, I mean, I want to look at me like that. I don't. I want you guys to look at me as someone with ethics, with values, with principles. That's why I come out here and I try to be a fair and unbiased person based on anything I talk about. One thing I will never entertain is coming out here and dragging someone's child like a young child. I won't indulge in that. I just won't. But some of these people out here, they have no ethics. They love to insert innocent people in their conversation as if to say dragging you is not enough. They want to drag your family too, your siblings, your offsprings. Exactly. Respect goes both ways. And you know, you see some of these people, they don't even respect themselves. So if they can't respect themselves, how on earth are they going to respect other people? It makes no sense. Or how are you going to try and respect some because you know that those people can somewhat bring you somewhere? Let's be real. I've helped to establish a lot of these people out here. I've done that because I'm a nice person and I want what I want for myself. I want it for all of you too. But I promise you, if I had known some people were the way that they are, I promise you, I would have never like I would have never interacted with them. I promise you, I would have never. I'm always gonna be me, girl. Always gonna be me. Always. I'm always gonna be myself. Always. Imagine, look how many guys are on the live. You see, I don't know what else to do. I try every day to make you guys feel welcome to interact with me. But you guys just come here and you just sit there. You don't say A, you don't say B. Like, my question to you guys, Donegal made a comment the other day on her live. I said, if you guys don't like her, why do you come? I said the same thing to you guys. If I don't like people, I am not, I swear to God, as God be my witness, if I don't like you, me now come here page. The only way I'm gonna come to that page is if someone said, Dwayne, there's a gossip over there. Go and listen to this. That's the only way. Me not going nobody page me not like them. Me not going. So my question to you guys, why do you continually come to my page? You choose not to interact with me. You just come here and look in my face as if to say, do I look stink? Do I look, what is it? What is it? Why don't you guys want to interact with me? Is it because I look a certain way? Am I not? I don't know. So why not interact with me? If they like me, show me, interact with me. It's not that serious, guys. It's really not that serious. And stop allowing people to control your movements on social media. Everyone on here are grown adults. Control yourself. Respect yourselves. And that's it. Try to respect other people too until they cross you. If they do cross you, you have all rights to liberty them up. Because let's be real, they would have never done certain things to you if they had respected you in the beginning, and that's how I try to live my life, right? You respect me, I respect you, and that's it. Exactly. And that's the thing. Okay, yeah, but the thing is, I would never try and stop any of you. You guys can go wherever you want to go. Go, listen, I am not your masters. Go wherever you want to go. My people, my true, authentic people. Go to anybody's page you want to go to. Anybody. Understand? You people are adults. Stop allowing people to control you. That's fine. Is it Kajona? Kajona? It's fine. It is what it is. I just wanted to come out here and apologize to you guys, though, my good followers, my amazing followers that God blessed me with. God bless me with all of you. I swear to God, never in my life would I have thought I would have racked up almost 100,000 followers in 3 years. I swear to God, people, I never in a million years thought I would have been here. But sometimes in life, things happen when you least expect it. I built the page to promote my YouTube, and look at where I am today. I'm proud of everything I've done on social media. The good, the bad had to come with the good for you to get to where you are today. And I can assure all of you, I'm not gonna allow these people to come out here and make me come out here and look like I have no substance, because I know for a fact I do. I know for a fact, right? So one more time, my audience, my followers, my authentic followers, I'm very sorry for my behavior yesterday. If I don't owe any, if I owe anyone any apology, I owe an apology to you guys. Oh, and most importantly, my family, my mother, my dad, my late grandparents. I love you people. I love all of you. One thing I won't take is disrespect from anyone, especially when they try and come for people who isn't, then they're not even in their category or lane or league, you know. Again, I want all of you to know I'm very sorry for my behavior yesterday. If you stand with me, I'm talking to you. If you don't, oh well, it is what it is. I'm still a talk to you. I'm trying to be a blogger with substance. I'm trying to be a blogger with a difference, and I'm sure I've been doing that thus far until. But I can assure you that that person, when they wanted to cuss me a long time ago, they just got the perfect opportunity now, or maybe their alliance didn't have nothing to talk about. And you know, funny thing, I realized they tried to come out with that video. It didn't make no sense, because it never made no sense. It was so funny. Oh my God, guys, listen, I'm telling you, I had to get out yesterday. I really had to. Ask me why? Because I'm proud of my mother. I'm proud of my mom, and I love her with all of my heart and soul, as we all should love our mothers. Our mothers are a precious commodity. Respect them. We can have 20,000 dads, 10 dads, but we can only have one mother. Our moms can say that's your dad, and it's not your dad. 10 years down the line, it turned out not to be your dad, but we can only have one mother, and she can never try and disown us because we came from her. So I love my mother. I don't know about you guys, but I love my mom unconditionally. And you guys should love your mom too. And never allow anyone to feel as if to say they can cross you or cross her. Because let's be, without our mothers, we would not be here. Right? So love your mothers, people. Love them. And love yourself too. And don't, whatever it is you're going through. Yes, I'm lean up. Yes, I'm allegedly lean up. Allegedly, I can't walk, whatever. But trust me, there are people in this world who's going through way worse things than I am. God never gives you more than you can bear. The good Lord himself never gives anyone more than they can bear. And I feel like this was my portion that God knew I could bear. Hence why it happened to me. I'm not complaining. So why do people feel they can use my plight to try and drag me? You can't drag me. None of you can drag me. I'm going through the worst already. I got through the worst already. And I'm I did over yasso and I'm over yasso. So, you know, I won, and I'll continue to win by God's grace and mercies and favor. I would encourage some of you to start loving yourself and love God too. And stop with the bullshit. Stop dragging people's families unwarranted as if to say people's families don't know anything about you. It pains my heart to come on social media every day and see fully grown people dragging people's ill children or family members who has nothing to do with any conversation per se that's happening on social media. That shows you these people, they don't even respect themselves. So if they don't respect themselves, how on earth are they going to respect other people too? How? It makes no sense. They would never respect themselves. So how are they going to respect other people? You know? I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. I don't know. But if you don't, oh well. I know what I'm saying. Just know that episode of Happiness Day is never going to happen again because those people are officially dead to me. Absolutely, I'll chat to you. If someone else talks something about them that I want to talk about, I'm going to talk about it. If they want to come out and cuss, that's on them.